Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to talk about some more configuration thing. So let's say that we would like to use the Bootstrap and the jQuery. So how do we do that? So in order to do that, we are going to do this, and in the project root we are going to type npm install and then Bootstrap. Okay, and then when we press enter, it will install all the Bootstrap related modules. And then we need to also put the npm install and then jQuery and then hit enter, and then it will incorporate all the jQuery libraries in the project. Now this is the npm install is the method, or npm install is the command that we are going to use for any kind of libraries that is required for the project, or that we think that we need for the project. Now these things are going to be in or these dependencies we can look into the package.json. So if we look at over here, we can see that this package.json, and if I make it bigger, then we can see that there should be a Bootstrap. Okay, so you can see that the Bootstrap is over here, Bootstrap and jQuery, and this is how the dependencies are being added, and we can look into those in the package.json file. Now there are some other things that we need to do in order to run it, and it's going to be again the bare minimum thing. The first thing I'm going to do is app component.html file. So let's go over app component.html file and remove everything, and we're just going to put the router-outlet and this command only. Okay, that's done. And then we are going to do what? We are going to change the title, and for that we are going to use the app component.ts. Where is that? Component.ts file, and over here we just change the name of the title, club management. Okay, or whatever title you would like to put. Okay, and then the last thing that we are going to do is in our app routing module. So let's go to AppRoutingModule TS, and in the AppRoutingModule you can see that we have defined the path. Okay, so this is the path login. So if the user types login, it should come to the login component, and if the user types body, it should point to the body component. Okay, this is done over here. And then another thing that we'd like to see is appmodule.ts, and in over the appmodule.ts we are going to we need to declare this, and we need to import this. Okay, so that this is visible in our project. Okay, and you can see that login component and the body component. So whatever components that we are going to create, we need to incorporate, or we need to put in the declaration section over here, so that it is visible all over the project. Okay, so these are the few little bit of configurations that we had to make. Again, in the app module we need to import all the components that we have created so that it is visible. In the app component TS, I have just made this, or changed this title, and app component HTML, I put this one only, and that's it. So we are ready to invoke the client, or we are ready to invoke from the client to the server. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.